here. No, you cannot. So let's put it right here. Yes. That's pretty good. I consider it. We have 1030 now, so okay. Oh, I saw they need restrooms, of course. Restrooms, where are they? Stalls, yes, stalls, other stalls, restroom. So one there, one there. That's enough. What may we buy? 2,900 observation tower. 1,600 for the spills, right? 2,500 for the dropper. Okay, let's work for the spiral, I think, or how do you call it? The spiral, right? And maybe change the color, actually. I don't know. Ooh. Change color, maybe. Operations, stats. I'm excited for the swinging ship. Oh, you may change the color. Very good. So what's red? The ship is red. Let's put something like goldish. Gold like that. And something more pirating. Is that good? I don't know. It looks good, but let's keep this to a little more dark gray, or maybe, yeah, more dark gray. We put them to not nearly black, but it suits. Yes, this suits very good. And if it's extremely cheap, why don't we, from 10, let's put it to 15. 15 or 16, let's put it to 16. Plus $6, of course. And this one, we have to change the colors, obviously. Colors, teacups, tots, no. Let's put it support color, let's put it blue, I think. And let's make it, what may suit us? Gold? No, that's like highlighter, yellow. We may make it actually blue. Nah, blue does not fit. Green? No, too camouflagey. Let's try it a little more. No, I would prefer leaving it yellow then. Yellow fits. Support color is blue. Perfect. Hello. You have to pay for the restrooms? I think so. $8 a billion thoughts. The restrooms are too expensive. Okay. They really do. Let's make it them like, no, not $0. Let's $2 maybe. Yes. $2 is enough. Swinging ship. How is my swinging ship? Thoughts. Swinging ship is extremely cheap. I'm excited for the swinging ship. Okay. Whoa, the first one has 325,852. Oh, he's rich then. Why don't you start decorating a little? So like we have to put some crystals. Do we have crystals here? Crystals! Yes. Yeah. Pretty good. And here let's put some scenery, like some trees. No, not trees. Bushes. One. We have one bush. Two. I have to delete that. And let's put 3. Destroy. We have to destroy this. And let's go to scenery. In the let's press the bushes. Okay, we have to make some lines too for the exit path, because you don't want like people to start fighting. So where are my scenery, I think. Fences and poles, yes. Where is that? A metal pole, is that like that? Ooh, this is perfect one. So no one may touch the precious crystals. These are my crystals and no one may touch them. Okay, my crystals, yay! More crystals here, I have to put them. No, the bushes are not that important. But I may add some, just in case. No, one like there. I think it fits perfectly. See? This is just extremely good. Okay. How are my toilets doing? $2. No one's thinking about the, oh no. No, very bad. Look, the crystals give like the good scenery. So what are the thoughts about this? Swinging ship is extremely cheap again. Let's put it up to 17 then. $1. Let's just add it up then. Of course. Add it up to what are the thoughts actually? Extremely cheap. Let's add it up to 2. 10 is with 10 you may just buy a no. How much is a pizza actually? $10 pizza's not good. Like a $6 pizza's good. Soft drink. Thoughts. The con too expensive. Obviously, reduce it. Let's put it $1. And what about my burgers? How about my burgers? No one's thinking about the burgers. They are $10. Let's make it like $3 each. Because here it's the point is like to make money. Okay. Well guys, that's it for Tempak Tycoon. If you like this video, then smash that like button. Remember to subscribe and turn on the post notification bell to never miss an upload. And then I'll see you in the next one. Good line.